G'day legends, back here with young Lee. Today we're going to be focusing on a little bit of Recyclecraft. Real similar to Bushcraft, usually using recycled, reclaimed products. Been to the tips, stocked up on a few supplies. We're going to work on a rotisserie paddle wheel today, I reckon. Get a whole chook on the go, cook that cunt by the creek, just fucking make it happen. Right, just walk you through what we've got here. Whole tub of recycled tech screws, assorted screws, a few metal techs, some leftover conduit clips, pack of takeaway containers, garden stakes, a bit of metal that fits in the old moto ring there. We've just got an old aluminium curtain rail. See what we can make happen. Alright, first things first, got your rim. Now I'm thinking these takeaway containers will make good little paddles. We'll see if it works. One. Alright, so that's your main wheel done. I'm thinking we'll get this pole in here. Then we'll make sure she spins. Alright, so we just whacked a tech screw through the pole. You can adjust the amount, how much comes in and out. We should be able to, there we go, wedge that into there. Let's try it out. Alright, once you've got the wheel sorted, get your star pickets, garden stakes, whatever you want to call them. Conduit clips, I'm just going to line them up nice and evenly. Screw them in, that beam goes through there, on it there, you'll see, you'll see. Snap the head off that one. Get your curtain rod, feed him down, and just screw him in right here so he doesn't come out. Just sitting a little low. I want it to sit about there, and then we'll get it to rotate on. Let's adjust. Ooh, sort of works. We'll get it all tightened up, see how she handles. Work out roughly where you want your poles, where your fire is going to be. We'll get it sorted. Alright, got the paddle wheel here ready to go. Couple poles in the creek. Let's get them over there. We've got the dog spinning here. Got a little fire pit dug out. Spot here for your chook. Last but not least, just got to whack a couple of tech screws in here, stop the chook sliding down your pole. And I think she's nearly ready to go. Couple little hooks that'll stop your chook from sliding off. I think we've got him sorted. Alright guys, we've got the paddle wheel all set up, ready to go. Spinning away. Time to get a chook out, start that fire. Alright, so we're just going to try and burn the paint off this pole here, get that all nice and cleaned up. I'm going to whack a whole chook on there, get the coals down, a few heat beads. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, we've got some hickory smoked wood chips here, ready to go in. Just got them soaking a little bit, makes them burn a little bit longer. But time to get a chicken on this rod. Paint's all peeled off. Gonna oil that up, stop your chicken from sticking, get him on. A few of them, a few heat beads, we'll make it happen. Let's make it happen. Alright guys, we're just going to make a bit of room in here, spread out these coals a little bit, make enough room to get your chook on there. Right, once you've got a bit of room in there, get your whole chook. We've just got a little one here, nothing too major. Just going to thread him down the curtain rod, down to the tech screws. Alright, so if your chicken starts spinning, falling and whatnot, don't be scared to whack some more extra tech screws in there to hold him on. Ours looks like he's doing alright there. So just going to let that spin for an hour or two. Jumping around a little bit. That should cook the chook. Well, time to season him up. Just got a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Just going to keep it pretty basic, bit of salt, bit of pepper. We've got some smoked hickory wood chips here. Just going to get a few of them in. Now you soak them and it makes them last a little bit longer, burns a little bit slower. Other than that, cook the chook, let's get it done. Alright, so the chook's been on the go for about 20 minutes there. Skin's looking real nice, staying juicy. Now she's only a little chicken, but I reckon she's about halfway done. Check back in on it in a little bit. Alright guys, I reckon this chicken's done. Let's get him off here, slide him up your pole. Super juicy, nice and salty. You can taste that hickory. Let's make some sandwiches, I reckon. Good wings and a tasty sambo. That's how it's done, guys. Rotisserie chicken made with some recycled materials. Recyclecraft is a thing. We're going to be doing a few more of these. Like and subscribe. Check out all our shit. Bushcraft's a big cartel. We'll see you next time.